The Cleo app usually stops working when the bank connection breaks, the app cache gets corrupted, or Cleo's servers can't sync your account data in real time. By the end, you'll know exactly why Cleo is not working on your phone, and the exact steps to fix it, so the app starts responding normally again. Start with your bank connection. Cleo relies on a third-party connection to read your bank data. If that connection expires or gets disconnected, the app can freeze, fail to load balances, or stop responding to commands. Open your settings in Cleo, check your linked bank, and reconnect it instead of just refreshing it. Next, check server status. If Cleo's servers are down or experiencing delays, the app may load slowly or not respond at all. This is not something on your phone. In this case, waiting and trying again later is the only real fix, because the app depends on server sync to function. Now check app cache and data. Stored temporary data can become outdated and cause loading loops or blank screens. Clearing the app cache on Android or reinstalling the app on iPhone forces a clean version of Cleo to load and removes corrupted files that block normal function. Another issue is outdated app version. If you're running an older version of Cleo, features may break or stop syncing with your bank correctly. Updating the app from the App Store or Google Play restores compatibility with the latest backend changes. Now look at login and verification issues. If your account session expires or your identity verification is incomplete, Cleo may restrict access to core features. Logging out and logging back in can reset your session and restore functionality. Also, check your internet connection. Cleo requires a stable connection to sync financial data. Weak Wi-Fi or mobile data interruptions can cause blank screens or failed loads even if everything else is working correctly. Here's the simple breakdown. Cleo not working usually comes down to broken bank sync, server issues, corrupted app data, outdated app versions, or unstable internet connections. Do this next. Reconnect your bank account inside the app. Then update Cleo to the latest version. After that, clear cache or reinstall the app. Finally, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out connection issues. If it still doesn't work, wait a few hours and try again since server delays can temporarily block access. Most Cleo issues resolve once the bank connection and app data are refreshed properly.